you're going to need borax, glue, shaving foam, a container and a spoon.
So you're going to need your container, and you're going to get your spoon and a glue bottle, your glue. Then you're going to put as much glue as you want for the slime.
So when you've done that, you're going to put some paint. Paint is optional, and you are going to put your shaving foam. Then you're going to mix your 2 or 3 things together to make your slime mixture. Then you're going to add a bit at a time of borax to make your slime mixture into a proper slime. Now when you do it, don't put too much, because too much borax could affect the stretchiness of your slime.